So let's talk about a mini facelift. So a mini facelift is different from a normal full facelift and is different from a neck lift. What a mini facelift does is tightens up the cheek a little bit and maybe helps treat the jowls a little bit. It is the least aggressive type of facelift, and I like to tell patients a mini facelift creates mini results. So the reason for that is essentially what a mini facelift is, it's an incision in front of the ear and along the hairline a little bit. The skin is elevated up and the skin is pulled tight, tightening up the cheek, elevating the jowl a little bit, and improving the nasolabial fold a little bit. Now, the results of this don't last very long because there were no deeper tissues manipulated. In other words, if you have rather severe jowls, if your cheek has fallen quite a bit, you definitely need a full facelift or a normal facelift, because with a normal facelift, the deep SMAS layers will be elevated and resuspended to resuspend your cheeks and treat your jowls. A mini facelift is essentially a cheek skin tightening procedure, and it does not create the same results as a full facelift and or a full facelift with a neck lift. So keep that in mind. It is an option for a subtle minor improvement in generally younger patients, generally late 30s, early 40s, if they feel like their cheeks are just a little loose and they need a little bit of tightening, but they don't need a full facelift. That is generally who a mini facelift is for. To learn more about what's involved with a full facelift and or a neck lift, check out my other videos. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.